Are you tired of the same old routine? Do you dream of living a life of wealth and abundance? Well, my friend, you've come to the right place. Welcome to Make Sense, our YouTube channel, where we unlock the secrets to financial success in the digital arena, investing, crypto, real estate, stocks, and much more. Hey there, fellow wealth seekers. I'm thrilled to have you here today. My name is Jonathan, and I'm your guide on this incredible journey towards financial freedom. Today, I've got some mind-blowing insights and actionable recommendations that will change your life forever. But before we dive in, let me show you something that will grab your attention and ignite your desire to take massive action. Take a look at this graph. It represents the tremendous wealth potential in the digital arena, investing, crypto, real estate, stocks, and beyond. See these spikes? They represent individuals just like you who took the leap, learned the strategies, and achieved extraordinary results. And guess what? You can be one of them. Now, let's talk about the main problem we're here to solve: the lack of information about practical options to get rich. You see, many people struggle with knowing where to start and how to make the right moves. But worry not. I've got your back. So here's what I want you to do right now. Grab a pen and a notebook because what I'm about to share is pure gold. These are the actionable steps that will set you on the path to financial abundance. Get ready to take notes. Step 1. Master the digital arena. I'll show you how to leverage your skills and tap into online opportunities that will skyrocket your income. Step 2. Diversify your portfolio. We'll explore the world of investing, crypto, real estate, stocks, and more, so you can make smart financial decisions that pay off big time. Now, here comes the moment you've been waiting for, the strong call to action. It's time to take action, my friend. Don't just watch these videos passively. Implement the recommendations, apply the knowledge, and start building your wealth today. But wait, there's more. Before you go, I want to remind you to like and subscribe to this channel. By doing so, you'll be part of an exclusive community of like-minded individuals who are all on the path to financial success. Hit that like button and smash that subscribe button to stay updated with the latest wealth-building strategies. Remember, my friend, your journey to financial abundance begins with a single step. Together, we will unlock the doors to prosperity, seize opportunities, and live life on our own terms. So, let's make this commitment together. Are you ready? Let's do this. Thank you for joining us today on our YouTube channel. Get ready to transform your financial future and embark on the extraordinary. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights. Until next time, stay motivated and keep chasing those dreams.